Hello everyone, I welcome you to the Vikram Sarabhai Institute of Cell and Molecular Biology. I am Dr. Ravi Vijayvargiya. I am Assistant Director of this program. Let me first take you to the history of this program. How did it start? So it was in 2012 that it was initiated. So the funding for initiation of this program came from DBT as well as Gujarat government. So around corpus of 14 crores were there to initiate the program, and it was initiated in honor of Dr. Venki Ramakrishnan, who is our alumni and Nobel laureate, and it was to honor his interdisciplinary studies that this program is also of interdisciplinary nature, and it is one of the best program our university and the faculty of. So the people who played key role in establishing this institute, I would like to name them. So at the time of establishment, the VC of our university, Professor Ramesh Goyal. Then we had our Dean Faculty of Science, that he was also instrumental in starting this program. Professor Sarita Gupta, who took lead in getting the funding, and also we have a very renowned advisory committee. Top-notch scientists of India are part of our advisory committee, including Professor CVR. So they help us to run this program first, and it has several unique features which I am going to discuss today. So as I said that in 2012 this program was initiated, and this had two main aspects. One was to start a 5-year integrated MSc in cell and molecular biology, and secondly to establish state-of-art equipment facility. Okay, so for equipment facility we started with some of the very nicest equipment for life sciences, like having confocal microscope, we have FACS facility, LCMS, real-time PCR, to name a few, which are catering not just to the faculty but to the university as well as to industry. On the other aspect, the academic program which was initiated was 5-year integrated MSc in cell and molecular biology. So currently we offer 35 seats in this program, and this is after 12th grade. We have a competitive exam in which students who get selected are part of this program. This is a very unique program in the country. When it was initiated, only few places were having this integrated program, and one of the key feature of this program is that students who are enrolled in this program, they get benefit of several summer trainings. So every summer they go to academic or industry setup to do their training, and when they come to the 9th semester, that entire semester is dedicated to a dissertation where they go. We have a tie-up with top-notch Indian institutes including IISc, NCBS, TIFR, ICERS, NICERS. So most of the students end up doing their dissertation in this top-notch institutes, and some of the students also go to foreign countries like USA and Canada, and they do really well, and some of them do publish papers during their dissertation. So that is very good unique feature of the program. Also several of the students, they qualify for the national level entrance exams like NET, GATE, get fellowship for their PhD programs, and most of them end up doing PhDs in the top-notch Indian institutes, or they go abroad also. Also we have a good collaboration with industry, so students also get absorbed in industry, like we have Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's lab. There also students regularly get absorbed. Apart from this, since this is an interdisciplinary program, every department of faculty of science is participating in this, and that is a unique feature of the program. Another aspect of this, that students not only are getting PhD positions after this program, they are getting placed also. So whether it's academia or industry, both way placements are going on, and in last 5 years we have 5 batches are already out of this program, and most of the students are placed either in industry or academia, and that is the highlight of the program. Also I would like to highlight that in this program we call top-notch scientists from world over to deliver lectures to the students. So sitting at one place, they are able to get so much benefit. So I think all these unique features of this program highlights that this is a place to go, and since this is a virtual program right now, so I am not able to invite you, but once things are conducive, I invite you all to visit the department and have a look. I look forward to that.